This was before, and this is after. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is beautiful Wednesday morning in California, and I want to exactly explain what trade we went into last night. I don't know if you guys caught this trade on the USD versus the CAD last night, but on our live trading webinar, we actually went over our analysis on this pair, and I told you guys exactly what I was going to do. For the ones that are watching this that were on the webinar, congratulations, but if you weren't, we're going to have another webinar tomorrow night at 11 p.m. But you guys watch this right now. Now, as you guys can see, we're trading the USD versus the CAD last night, and around the time that we were looking at this pair, it was around this range right up here. It hadn't already dropped that low, as you guys can see on the chart, and I put the arrows right here to identify exactly where we think the market was going to go. As you guys can see, it totally smashed through that green box and kept going down. But the reason as to why we are in this trade last night, I'm going to give you one major key factor as to why we are selling this pair. Right here above the screen, you guys can see that we had a triple top. A triple top is multiple hits to the top. Like you guys can see right here, the arrows that we have right here indicate our first higher high, then our next higher low, then our next higher low. As you guys can see, as the market fell down and went back up, every time that it hit new resistance levels, it declines the level before. Our trend line right here matches up perfectly, identifying that it is in a downtrend. And you guys can see as the market came down here to this range, this is where we were looking last night. We wanted this market to be a beautiful sell, and as you guys can see, the market came down, hit support, went back up to previous resistance, and totally declined those levels. And what I want you guys to really look at right here, let me focus in, is this candle formation right here. That right there is a shooting star. Every time that we see this candle form, that means that the market is going to go the complete opposite direction. The market came down. It formed a bullish candle, meaning that it was going up. Then it formed the shooting star. After the shooting star closed, look at that drop, guys. And if you guys did not know, we had news last night on the CAD. I'm going to show you guys exactly right now. Now guys, if you are new, we use this website, Forex Factory, to determine what news we have going on. So let me go back a day. And you guys can see right down here, this morning at 10 a.m. EST, that's 7 a.m. my time, we had major news on the CAD. And it's crazy because when this news came out right here, look at how it affected the market. Let me go back. Look at how much movement occurred on this pair as the news came out. Look at that drop. That was all from news coming out. If you guys do not know what type of trading that is fundamental trading, meaning that we're looking at politics and news to get a general idea on what is going on in the market. So what we did is we used our technical analysis, the triple top, the trend line, hitting support and resistance as a way to figure out what the market is going to do. And then when the news came out, the fundamental news, it totally affected the market in a positive way. And I'm going to spot out one more thing for you guys so you can see this is very important. But as you guys can see, before the news came out, what I love to do when we have news coming out is look at the trend. And you guys can overall see that we were in a downtrend. The trend is your friend, as they say. And for this pair, I saw that we had news coming out for the CAD. It's most likely going to affect the trend in a positive way. So I said, all right, we're already in a downtrend. The news is positive for the Canadian dollar, meaning that if it's positive for the CAD, we want to sell this pair. So we looked at the trend. We said, all right, the news is going to be positive. This is most likely going to be a beautiful sell. And look at that, guys. Our entry is right here at the yellow line. Our stop loss was right here at previous resistance. And then our take profit levels are right over here. We banked on this trade overnight over 100 pips just by this movement happening. I want to teach you guys more, and you guys are already in the group chat if you are receiving this email, but if you want to take this more seriously, what I would recommend you guys do to get more value like in this video is purchase the FX Accelerator. Now it's on sale today for $297, and that deal is open for the first 5 students. So if you think you have what it takes, you're ready to take your trading skills to the next level, sign up, and I'll see you guys on the inside.